Oh, that's a cavern.
Jump jet fuel low. Jump jet fuel empty.
David, I just landed in the thick of it.
Yep, I'm here.
New target warhead. Destroyed.
Balls.
Target destroyed. Target acquired.
Wow. Wow. More air inbound.
Jump jet fuel low. New target, Vindicator. Target destroyed. Target acquired. New target profile.
Reading no more contacts within the vicinity. Thanks for the assist, Commander. Diffuser layers are moving to capture any surviving forces and prep them for interrogation.
Sucker's cooking.
Good start, Commander. I'm showing major damage to the target facility. Oh, great. They just destroyed our emergency generator. Structure integrity is at 50%, Commander.
Is it the solar field?
To devote more ammo to
It is
bring
a
it
solar
down.
field.
I mean, is that the target?
Yeah, the whole place is.
That's it, Commander. Keep pushing, and it will come tumbling down. Supply reserves have been destroyed. The job is done, Commander, but that made a lot of noise. Move to evac before the enemy arrives.
You know, it's only a 45-minute trip down the river. You won't get that sunburned.
Additional hostiles have been dispatched. They're heading your way.
Man, what is with them in all the air?
We're approaching the location of our hidden asset. It must be nearby. Good. Our munitions can be restocked.
Launching on a flea.
Targeted mech destroyed.
That
Victory
douchebag.
provinces.
Enemy mech forces spotted operating in the area. Watch out for them.
You know, I had a nice array.
Did you just nuke the locust?
Yes. Now I'm nuking the cicada.
Enemy forces continuing to converge on your location.
That was it?
Frosty, Commander.
Yeah, we can evac if we want.
Inbound on the SRM carrier.
That's a waste of an arrow. But they don't pay us to bring it home.
No, they
Additional
don't.
Tangos en route to your position, Commander.
The small ones?
Yeah, the little red hexagons with missiles inside of them.
Yeah.
Target quick draw.
Yeah, those are artillery pieces. They're gonna kick my ass.
Target destroyed. Acquired. Target destroyed.
You're literally taking out an artillery piece, so it's just gonna look like a gun sticking up in the air.
Target acquired.
Enemy reinforcements
Thank you for the assist, Tony. Enemy does damage.
Target acquired.
Reporting enemy damage.
Target destroyed. Incoming missile.
Warnings are lighting up. Gonna have to bail.
The enemy are
I
deploying
just took out an entire lance of light mechs
Commander.
in one pass.
Target assassin. Target destroyed. Target acquired.
So, Zerg Rush it is.
Nice shots, Tony.
Look out, Commander. More enemy
Nice
mechs
shots.
inbound.